How to use SD card as internal storage in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now let's first go to the settings of your device and make sure that you have the developer options available. And if you do not have a developer options available, go to about phone and then tap on the detailed info and specs over there and tap on the build number or the model number for sometimes, and your developer option will be toggled on. After that, you just have to go down, scroll down, just tap on additional settings and then tap on developer options, then scroll down until you find the app section. So just let's go down, and here on the app section you can see the option of first allow apps to write on external storage. Right now it's toggled off, so just toggle this on and you'll be able to use SD card as internal storage in Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.